Hey everyone, today's Ghana adventure is a little closer to home. Literally, I did another apartment makeover. Do y'all remember when I first moved to Ghana and found my place? I did a whole video that covered how I found it and the mini makeover my landlord and I did to get it to make it feel a little bit more like home. But what I haven't shared with y'all yet was the fact that a few months after living in the apartment, we did another makeover. Y'all, overall, no matter how much bleach I used, the sore points of my space was definitely the bathroom, as well as the fact that there was no kitchen. So my landlord and I decided to tackle some of these problems. So today, I take you on the up and down, slightly frustrating but worthwhile journey of upgrading the little space I called home in Ghana. Y'all, I felt like I got just a little taste of what it's like to build here. It reminds me so much of the Caribbean. So this right here is my apartment before I moved into it. It came with all the furniture, was in a perfect neighborhood for me, and was at the right price of 150 USD per month at that time, before inflation and everything else. But it definitely needed a thorough clean and a few little touch-ups. My landlord and I swept through with some of his nice design touches and my flag, and we got it to a nice place. So this was the first makeover we did. 3 months later though, we came back again. While I was away to surprise my mom for her 60th birthday back in Antigua, be sure to check out that video, it is so cute. My landlord really went to work. He organized and began tearing apart my bathroom, fitting in the kitchen, and repainting my space. Here you can see some of the clips I was sent while I was away. I, for one, definitely underestimated the amount of work this actually entailed. They're digging up the whole bathroom, But to be fair, Billy was basically coordinating the heavy lifting, as that is what he does. He rents from landlords in Accra and upgrades the apartments to sublet them again. It's a win-win because the rentee gets a nicer place and everyone gets their rent, and the homeowner's place is improved when it's all done. Day by day though, you could see the progress in my apartment. It was very encouraging.
This is going to have that sink and it's going to come here, and the water heater is going to be there. Promise you never leave me alone.
Now, let's jump into when I first returned to Accra and saw the state of my apartment for the first time. Hey everyone, how are y'all doing? I am exhausted, absolutely exhausted. But I'm recording because Billy, my landlord / friend, actually while I was away, he redid my room. Now, I'm looking to see what it's like. It's supposed to be super empty. So on top of the fact that I'm exhausted, I gotta pack it up. But I was like, don't put anything in there, I need to clean. So we're gonna see how I feel. I think all I'm gonna do is order food first. Anyways, not to make this a long story short, let's see what inside looks like. It sounds empty. Ooh. I can't see. Oh my gosh! Wow! You're all in here is clean. I mean, the walls are painted. It smells like fresh paint. Wow, okay. The color of the walls makes a difference. Okay. And then I got a kitchen. I'm gonna close my eyes till I turn on the light. I can't find the light. Oh, here it is. Okay, it's so not done. It is so not done, but I have a whole kitchen, y'all. I got a sink and a place to dry stuff, and look at that. I need my shelf. No, I have closet space. Let me check this. Yes, I have shelves. I have shelves. I have shelves. Yay. Yes. Okay. I can put my pantry stuff. Last but not least, the bathroom. It's supposed to have been retiled. Okay. It is a whole new world. Okay, half of a new world. Yo. I'm supposed to get a heater here. What? I got a new drain. Okay, so it's still an absolutely tiny bathroom. Did I get a new toilet? No, I got a new toilet seat. What? Boy, this just need my bleach. And y'all, we good to go. We good to go. Okay. Lad in your hat. It hot. In a skilly bang hat. It hot. What? Look at that. Look at the shower head. Everything. No handle. Okay, we stepping up in life, y'all. Me tell you, me stepping up in life. I don't even know how to like function in this space now. Just like, what do? I don't know how to feel about it. I mean, I feel good. I think I'm just too tired. Anyways, wanted to show y'all the space. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks when I clean it and all that kind of stuff. I definitely don't think I'm staying here tonight. But anyways, okay, getting food. Bye. A few days later, the things turn up. Because now the owner of the compound, different from my landlord, because my landlord sublets the room to me, finally got things together and took the opportunity to replace the ceiling in my room. There were holes, there were rats, it was leaking, you name it. Yes, y'all have no idea how much of a struggle this place really was. Now, even though I was really hoping this would have been done before I returned to Accra, I was happy the problem was being addressed. Luckily, I was able to stay by a friend for a few days while they were fixing this issue. Everyone, they're redoing the ceiling of my apartment. It's a mess. Oop. Bye, Craig. Oh my gosh. Wow, I didn't expect it. Who's cleaning this? N.B No? Listen. This is why it's so hot. Oh, cool. Okay. Yeah, lots and lots of holes. Because there's been rats. I'm letting all the juicy info out. Rats keep me up at night. Ants bite me.
Cement to block all this and dress it nice before he lays the other wood that goes the other way. This one goes like that, that one goes like this. Then he put the new ceiling boards in there.
So you see. So was this always cemented here? Yeah? Okay. That's good to know. Oh, okay. Should I take down this stuff? Like
the mirror?
No, this stuff.
Yeah, you probably should. You see the way things are going.
So y'all, the new bathroom probably gonna look like crap, and then it's gonna look good again. because we're getting a new roof. But I'm really happy this is happening. And then the last thing that I need, hazard, is an air conditioning. Y'all, this place is gonna be, I'm not even gonna know what I'm gonna do with it, but it's a long time coming. I'm gonna make it feel so bad until it's like great. I love it. Okay. And this is gonna be finished today. So everyone, update. It has been 2 days since what you saw last, and I'll show you the place. The roof for my room has been fixed, but not for the bathroom. So you can see that the roof now has a different color and everything. There should be no holes, so I should be good. They took the trimming of wood off of there, so that's what you see there. So there's still work to be done, but then look at this. Oh my gosh, there's still a hole. Look at this. And then this is what's not done. So this is the original stuff that's there, and the door is supposed to replace. So, but here's the story now. Carpenter was supposed to come yesterday to continue. The day after he started this stuff, couldn't be found. They tried to call him, they tried to message him. When he would answer and be like, oh, I'm on my way, I'm going for the door, all kind of things. But up to now can't reach. So let's see if he comes back today. But yeah, I'm fed up. I am fed up. Anyways, so that's the story. I feel like I'm like building a house or something, you know, there's always some kind of drama. But anyways, I was able to sleep here tonight, so that's good. But I can't clean, and so the place is dirty, and so my inside's kind of like, I feel uncomfortable, and I can't unpack because what's the point of unpacking or putting stuff out, because you're just gonna have to pack them back again because things still have to get fixed. Anyways, wish me luck. This place better be worth it by the time it's finished. Next, as you can see, there was no insulation in my place, so it was hot, especially during the Hamatan, aka dry and dusty season. About a month later though, I worked out a deal with my landlord and we got a brand new AC for my space. I was too happy. Well, they're here to install my AC. It's going here. It's going up there. See? I'm excited. Okay, so y'all, look at that. And now I'm going inside. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Feel it. Wow. Y'all know Majimbo. Wow. It's a whole new world in here. It is a whole new world. All I gotta do is, like, I can feel the heat coming from here, and I just have to fix, like, block out this little space here. But your girl has AC. She happy. She can be happy like Papi now. Happy like Papi. Knocking up my windows. Everything's locked. Aha! Oh, miss it something now. Come on. Come, blow, baby, blow. I'm gonna be in bliss. That's what it is. I'm gonna be in bliss. Say cheese. Oh, it's a whole window. Y'all, there's a hole in my place, but that's okay. We're fixing it. Now, I must apologize. The entire upgrade process took a bit over a whole month, and by the time it was finished, my mind was completely off of taking an after video for y'all. However, after I moved out, my landlord took a few pictures. So here's the end result. As you can see, the bathroom is in a 10 times better condition than it was before, and includes the wiring for a hot water heater. And the kitchen gave me much needed space so that I was able to cook. I still only had one sink though. And most of all, the AC saved my life almost every single day. Thank you all for coming with me on this small but major journey in fixing up my apartment here in Accra, Ghana. Y'all were there from the beginning, so I only thought it right to share this little upgrade journey. If I was being honest, I really had a love-hate relationship with this place, because as much as the location and price, which by the way ended up going up to $200 per month at the time, were great, the issues I had to deal with on a monthly basis were not. Overall though, I am definitely grateful for the experience, and I'm happy I had the opportunity to live by myself, even with all the struggles. That's what makes life interesting, isn't it? Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.